Today, I want to share with you a little bit of what I'm doing for a living. I want to tell you about my job. Actually, I'm on holidays since yesterday, but tomorrow is a special day. It's my good friend's wedding. So she asked me for help, and today I want to show you what I'm doing for a living. I'm not a wedding planner actually. I'm an event planner. Most of my events are related to academic issues and matters, but I really like to to try working in other areas like weddings, for example. And today I'm gonna show you how's gonna be the pre-event. So join me. I'll see you later. This is my friend's invitation for me and my partner. It's very nice. It's little, but it has all the information here. You have the map where is going to be the religious appearance, and this is the map where the reception is gonna be, and this is the invitation. This little card is the thanks card, and if you want to help them economically, there you have the account. So it's very nice. Actually, it came with a very nice pot with a beautiful plant on it, but it's not here. It's my office. So I just wanted to see you these details that makes a plus when a wedding is running. This morning has been raining all the time, so it's not really good for a wedding. But I hope for today it will keep raining as much as the rains wants. But tomorrow is not a very good idea to keep raining like this. So it's kind of very cloudy. It's raining, not really heavy, but it's a light rain. But it's kind of I don't know. It worries me a little bit. So I'm gonna drive to where the event is. Let's see what's gonna happen there. So this is the place, Quinta La Toscana, and nobody's in here it seems. I'm gonna ring the bell. Maybe someone is here. So finally they opened the door. I'm getting in this finca. I think that's the owner. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días. It looks nice. I'll show you around. This is the pre-setting of the tents. This is the ballroom, the dance floor. These are food stations. These are like vintage lounges. These ones are like lounges made from pallets, wooden pallets, and these ones over here are another food station. There's another food station which is barbecue. It's gonna be there, right next over here, and then where the guys are opening this door is gonna be the bar. It's really cool. It's very nice. And this tent on the back is going to be dessert. So this event is going to be for 100 people. It's small, but I think it's going to be very cozy. Look at the wooden furniture. It looks very nice. I think this is a carpet. It's leather actually. Very nice. Look at this table and the lamp. Check out the lamp. It's vintage actually. It's very, very nice. So I'll see you.
Esa pinta de conejo. Esas tienen, son cabeza de león, ¿ves? Redonda y... Bueno, vamos. Entonces va esto, o le podemos poner en la esquina de abajo. ¿No viste que lo viste, ¿verdad? Sí, pero que ya va a haber... Allá va a haber... Bueno, sí, ahí escondido ya se va a separar. Abajo, abajo. Para poner la mesa de ahí también allá.
Hi again. This is another day on the wedding reception. Uh, Luckily, it stopped raining, so it's actually the sun is shining. So I'm very happy. So I'll show you how the decoration and all the elements that we put together yesterday will finally appear. Well, friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment. Goodbye.